What's up guys, this is Crazy TCG. I bought this mystery pack, 20 euros. I got number 65. I can't really read it anymore, but so I wonder, did we make a profit? Did we make a loss? Let's open it up and see. Alright, let's see what's in here. Oh my goody. What's this? Oh, seems like there's only cards in there, no packs. I think. Oh no, there's more in there. Okay, I'll go to that one later. Let's first check out what we have here. Oh my, oh it's damaged though. That's a really nice card. Looking good, looking good. Not too bad. It's damaged. Let's see what we have. Alright, let's just do these one last. These are sleeved. Let's just see what we have here. Evolutions. A lot of evolutions. Celebrations. Some second fee, that's like 50 cents, €1, something like that. A lot of bulk. Bulky bulk. But yeah, could be good to finish some sets. So yeah, that's a lot of bulk. Alright, let's just check out this card. Looks mint. That's just a normal reverse. Okay. This one, another reverse. This one is oh, it's a damaged card. Look at that. Too bad. This is from Supreme Victors, if I'm correct. And it's like Lotion one, which is a really good card if it's in good condition, but this is not really good condition. This is pretty badly played. Too bad. Oh, let's see what's in there. So there's one, oh, there's like a mystery thing. Alright, let's see, what do we get? Tornado's Fee. Oh, what's the other one? Oh my god. So yeah, let's do a recap. This is not 20 euros worth. A lot of bulk crap. Too bad guys. I didn't get one of the lucky packs, they said. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. If you guys like these mystery pack things or have any other requests, I can make some videos, but yeah, it has to be, my budget has to allow it of course, because Pokemon is a pretty expensive hobby, so I can do some more videos about my collection maybe, or other things. So hope you guys enjoy, and I'll be seeing you at the next video. Bye bye.